Today we're going to be looking at a quick sort algorithm. Here's the specification, and you can see we're currently on algorithms part F, standard algorithms, and we're looking at these sorts, the first one being the bubble sort. First up, I want you to do two truths and a lie. You're going to be given a piece of paper, and for the four different sorting algorithms, write two truths and a lie about their characteristics. You'll swap them with a peer to see if you can identify their lie. We're now going to be looking at searching algorithms. These are used to find data in an array. There are two standard that we're going to look at to start with. These are your linear and your binary searches. A linear search is fairly straightforward. It searches through the data in a sequential manner, or a linear manner, one after the other. Here we've got an array. It's got 7 items in it. Each item has an index. We know that because they start at position 0. A linear search would iterate through the list and cycle through the list to find that element in the array. If it finds that element, it would display the location. As it moves through, it's going to have a variable which is going to keep the position of the array until it finds the item. Once it's found it, it will just display the location. Your first task is to create a flow diagram for the linear search, and then secondly, turn it into a pseudocode algorithm. Here's an example of the linear search flow diagram you might have created. You can see our pseudocode is very simple for this. We've got a while loop. Now, we could potentially use a for loop if we know the length of the array, and we could use a for loop and find out the length of the array to start with, and that would be fine. In this instance, I've chosen a while loop. We search around each item and we have a counter, and then we display when it's found and if it's true. And I want you to go onto Trinket and code your solution. Finally, I want you to use your algorithm to create a simulation. Think about the time complexity and when the algorithm would perform best. Add your notes to explain the advantages and disadvantages.